It's okay, give me a hand, brother. I have to jump here. Oh shit! Thank you, brother, you are the strong. This is Balangan Beach in Uluwatu. So beautiful. See you there, down there. I just fall down from the stairs. Yo, what's up? How you doing? I just arrived to the Balangan Beach. It's the time when you are going to the beaches. It's not many people. You still have to wear mask, but it's completely nobody surrounds me. So I hope so. It's fine. Yeah, what I wanted to say today, I will show you everything about the Balangan Beach. Balangan Beach is a very beautiful beach in Uluwatu in the south. So from Kuta, for people who don't know where is Balangan Beach, beaches look like this. For sure I will have a bintang. I took my drone with me. I'm thinking to fly, however it's very windy. Here is the small temple with the baths inside. I hope so I can fly my drone, but as you can see it's super windy, and I hope so I will find someone who gonna sell me the radler somewhere. Yeah, check this out how it looks, the beach over here. Here is Sawarung, Ganesh. The beach itself is very nice and it's even very clean, I have to say. I was there at the top of this rock, but there is super extremely windy, much more than here. So I think maybe if I will fly drone only like very down, maybe just 20 meters maximum. Check this out, beautiful. Really beautiful waves, beautiful sun, very clean, really. Well, here one or two plastic, but after that it's really really not so bad, I have to say. Check this out, it's really nice. I hope so I can find some warung over there where I can have a drink. Meanwhile, check this out, sound of the wind, ocean, waves. Some nice girl here, by the way. That's how it look like. Normally on this beach is quite a lot of people and many nice girls, surfers. Lots of people having beers in the warungs, but today looks bit quiet. But we will see how is it over here. Today very unedited video. Basically today's video will be like a live stream. I just gonna walk and show you how is it without cutting parts off whatever I gonna see and record, that you will see. That's how it looks. Some local people around. I saw two hula, one here, one there. Only edited part of the vlog today will be the drone. If I gonna fly, I hope so. I will. As you can see, the girls sitting here with the masks on. Now it's very serious, think about that. But I wish to breathe fresh air when I'm on the beach and the sea breeze and everything. I'm pretty sure it's definitely much more healthy than breathing here using mask, right? But the rule is rule. Have to respect this. Here is the warungs. Over here the waves. I'm not sure if it's any warung open actually. I mean, this is sad and seems like all is closed. I mean, you can go there up, it's no problem, it's just open, but I mean, you can go, but it's closed. What I can say. Some people burning something over there. Let's check this out. Big smoke. Still, unfortunately, I cannot see any single warung what is open, which is very sad. Very sad indeed. Here is the fire. They burn actually the wood what was come from the beach, which is actually very nice. Dutch flag, if I'm not mistaken, over there. I think there is some surf diving company, have a hotel, guest house. So yeah, that's how it's it. I'm gonna come back, and yeah, I will try to fly some little bit of the drone today. Yo, what's up? Nice doggo. Woo. This is the stones like this. It's low tide. That's also maybe some reason why it's so quiet, because of low tide. However, we will see. I really want to fly drone, but actually the gates are closed. Maybe I saw only one warung. Here, a nice girl, by the way. Yeah. Have a look over there. Anyway, I have to try to fly Lumpia Solar here. Very nice. Yeah, they are there. I see them. This is my man. They even have a rattler here. Oh, it's okay. Give me a hand, brother. I have to jump here. Oh shit! Thank you, brother. You are the strong. Do you have rattler? Yeah.
Rattler? Yeah, I have.
Yes. Can I have one, please? Yeah, only one. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Woo.
Where are you from?
How do you think?
Russia?
No.
No?
No, Russia. Hey, where are people? Why is so quiet?
Because Corona.
No many
Really?
people.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe no corona, lots of people.
I was here like a few months ago, many people, but now no people.
No.
Maybe go home, yeah?
Yeah, maybe.
Many customers today, many bintangs you sold?
Yeah.
One, yeah? Okay. Whew. Luckily I got my rattler, so happy days with these lovely people over there. Cheers guys! Not many people as you can see, but at least they have my rattler. So as you can see, it's very windy. John is handling is okay. However, if you can see, he's struggling quite a lot. It's anyway strong wind. I will land now. Just after 30 meters high, it's already super strong wind, and I got so many warnings. However, as you can see, still really working well. So, however, in this wind, maybe Phantom will handle it, or maybe not even. So, it's very strong wind anyway, as you can see. Alright, so that's how it looks, the situation. I had my bean tank over there. Oh my god, check this out. Oh. Okay, it's time to go home. Like always, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.